step one here is, let's admit it, that dieting on its own almost never works. I have to tell you, I was really blown away when I saw this data. So 108 million people are projected to go on a diet in 2014. And the average number of diets that across the board we're going to be going on is 4 to 5. So when I saw that, I thought, you know, if there's no clearer evidence that dieting alone doesn't work, right? There's something that's not working if you have to go back and do it 4 or 5 times. And the Stanford study actually really elaborates on that. It shows that the people who were able to do some of this training of their brain, some of this pre-dieting before going on the diet, lost significantly more weight. And why don't I go over this right now so I don't keep putting it off and putting it into another step. So the 30% that I talk about in the amount of extra weight you lose is actually a lot lower than reality. But as a scientist, you sort of look at the study to say, okay, I can't exaggerate. But the reality is that in that study, there were 2 separate groups. One group did in fact lose more than 30% more weight, but both groups got training of their brain around weight loss. One of the groups got it before the study, and the other group got it after. So both of them got far more than the average dieter gets, right? And so you can imagine that if you compared a group who got the training before and then people who are doing the typical thing, which is nothing around brain and body work before dieting, then the difference is enormous. And the way that I think about it actually is it's not as a percentage of like you might lose 30% more. This is a process that works. So if you do it right, it's not about losing more or less. It's about changing your lifestyle in a way that's sustainable so that you just get the things that you want in your life. It's sort of fait accompli that your body will follow suit, especially if your goals are around health and fitness and not just around the number on a scale.